So in my last video, I unboxed the OnePlus 6, and that was literally a few days before the launch of the OnePlus 6T, making me very late in checking out that phone. But this time around, I was able to get my hands on the OnePlus 6T within a week of its launch. So in this video, let's do the unboxing and take a first look at this OnePlus 6T. What's up guys, this is Advait, and let's get started.
Okay, welcome party people, enjoy, have fun, have a party.
So this is the box that the 6T comes in. There's the OnePlus community tag on the box, and as you can see, this is the 6GB RAM 128GB variant, and the color is mirror black, and this retails for 38,000 rupees. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox it. So lifting the lid, we see the phone itself. Let's take it out and have a closer look. I would say this glass back does look good and reflective. So let's keep the phone aside for the time being and see what else is in the box. And right underneath the phone is another box which contains the case, which is quite helpful, and reading material which I'm pretty sure none of us would actually read. And underneath that we have a sort of handwritten message from the CEO of OnePlus, and here it says 5 years old and a million stories told. And last but not the least, we have the red color OnePlus style USB type A to type C cable, and a new addition to the box is the 3.5mm to USB-C dongle, because the OnePlus 6T unfortunately ditches the headphone jack. And finally we have the dash charger that charges the phone really quick. That's pretty much it. So peeling off the plastic and taking a closer look at the handset itself, I would say it looks sleek and feels good in the hands. And moving to placements, towards the top we have the secondary noise cancellation microphone. Towards the right we have the alert slider and the power button. Towards the bottom is the missing headphone jack, the USB Type-C port and the speaker grill. And towards the left we have the volume rockers and the SIM slot. And moving to the back, we have the vertical dual cameras, the flash underneath it, OnePlus branding, and here it says designed by OnePlus. Moving on, let's talk specs. So towards the front we have that new dewdrop notch design, and it's a 6.41-inch display. That's an optic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080. Also, the fingerprint scanner is now under the display. Moving to cameras, it's very identical to the ones on the OnePlus 6. So the rear camera has a 16 plus 20 megapixel setup along with support for OIS and an f1.7 aperture. And towards the front we have that smaller notch along with the 16 megapixel sensor, which also supports face unlock. Under the hood is the top of the line Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor with the Adreno 630 GPU. The variant I have has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage with no support for microSD. And coming to software, it's Oxygen OS running the show, built on Android 9 Pie, and powering all this is a large 3700 mAh battery. So that's it guys, that was the unboxing and first look of the OnePlus 6T. If you like this video, do hit that like button to let me know, and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Peace.